MCAT 2015 Cram Physical Foundations Question. Flashcard 51, Kinematics, Free Fall, and Air Resistance. An object is dropped from the Empire State Building. Which of the following statements best describes the motion of the object as it experiences air resistance during its downward fall? Is it A, the speed will increase at a constant rate for its fall? B, its acceleration will decrease until the object starts moving at a constant speed? C, its speed remains constant for the fall? Or D, the speed will decrease at a constant rate for its fall? I know all these answer choices kind of sound and look alike, but take a moment to think, and then we'll get into the solution, okay? All right, so hopefully you've selected the correct answer choice, and if not, don't worry about it. Let's come up with a solution now. Okay, so the force of air resistance is proportional to the square of velocity, okay? And at the beginning, there's no upward force when the object first, comes on the scene, all right? But as the object falls through the sky, the force of air resistance will increase to oppose the force due to gravity, okay? As time progresses further, the force of air resistance will increase again until it's equal in magnitude and opposite direction to the weight of the object. And the weight is, all right? So we can say here the force, the weight of the object is the force of gravity, although air resistance is decreasing the gravitational acceleration. All right, so let's start to look at some of these choices. Its speed does not remain constant for the fall and does not decrease at a constant rate, since the object does gain more speed as it's falling. Although the force of gravity is decreasing, it is accelerating. But because the force of gravity is inconsistently decreasing, we can't say that it's constant. So we can eliminate answer choice C, okay? And we can also eliminate answer choice D because it increases as it falls, the speed that is, as I just previously mentioned. So it would be antithetical to say that the speed is decreasing at a constant rate. So both C and D are out, and we're left with A and B. So let's think about answer choice A. The speed does increase, but it's not at a constant rate. If it were at a constant rate, F gravitational would remain constant, but it's not in this case due to air resistance. So answer choice A is out as well. And ultimately, by default, we're left with answer choice B, okay? So its acceleration, which is gravity, the mass times the acceleration due to gravity is the force here, does decrease until it reaches terminal velocity, at which point the acceleration is 0 and the velocity is constant, okay? Although the velocity is constant at terminal velocity, it's not constant during the entire duration of the fall. So the correct answer choice, again, is answer choice B, all right? Okay.